dog. What do you hear in the garden? In the barn, we can hear the donkey bray. Hello, Mommy Cat. Where is your baby? Colorful animals live in the jungle. In the trees, the parrots squawk. Who lives in the hot desert? The camel walks in the sand. Who lives in the cold